Get ready for an IPL 2026 match as Mumbai Indians takes on Royal Challengers Bengaluru tonight at 7:30 p.m. IST. MI are always strong at home and have a powerful batting lineup. RCB bring Virat Kohli and plenty of firepower too. This is usually a high-scoring game, flat pitch, short boundaries and big hitters on both sides. Key players watch. For MI, watch out for their captain and bowlers. For RCB, Kohli and Maxwell can change the game in a few overs. It is one of the biggest rivalries in the IPL. Who are you backing tonight? MI or RCB? Drop your winner in the comments.